Here is the report of activity for second term, subject science part 1, standard 9. Aim of the activity: make a PowerPoint presentation in the class about biogas plant and the process of gas production. Introduction. Biogas is a mixture of gases mainly consisting of methane and carbon dioxide produced from raw material such as agricultural waste, manure, plant material, sewage, green waste or food waste. Biogas is produced by microorganisms such as methanogens and sulfate reducing bacteria performing anaerobic respiration. It is a renewable energy. Need. Biogas is a renewable as well as a clean source of energy. No combustion takes place in this process, meaning there is zero emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Therefore, using gas from waste as a form of energy is a great way to combat global warming. The raw material like manure, food scrap and crop residue are always available, which makes it a highly sustainable option. The technology used to produce biogas is quite cheap. It is easy to set up and needs a little investment when used on a small scale. Methodology used for making this project. First, collect the information by the internet surfing. Arrange it properly. By getting it checked from the teacher, make a PowerPoint presentation on it. Observation. The biogas plant has a dome-like structure built with bricks. A slurry of cow dung and water is made in the mixing tank from where it is fed into the digester. The digester is a sealed chamber in which there is no oxygen. Anaerobic microorganisms that do not require oxygen to decompose or break down complex compounds of the cow dung slurry. It takes a few days for the process to be complete and generate gases. The biogas is stored in the gas tank above the digester from which they are drawn through pipes for us. Components of biogas plants. First, mixing tank. The feed material, that is dung, is collected in the mixing tank. Sufficient water is added and the material is thoroughly mixed till a homogeneous slurry is formed. Second, inlet pipe. The substrate is discharged into the digester through the inlet pipe or inlet tank. Third, that is the digester. The slurry is fermented inside the digester and biogas is produced through bacterial action. Fourth, gas storage dome or gas holder. The biogas gets collected in the gas holder which hold the gas until the time of consumption. Fifth one is outlet pipe. The digester slurry is discharged into the outlet tank, enter through the outlet pipe or the opening provided in the digester. The components of biogas plant, that is 6-1 gas pipeline. The gas pipeline carries the gas to the point of utilization such as a stove or lamp. So here is the conclusion of our activity. First one, biogas is an eco-friendly fuel. Second, it not only produces biogas but also gives us nutrient-rich slurry that can be used for crop production. Third, the required raw materials for biogas production are available abundantly in villages. Fourth one, availability of biogas would reduce the use of firewood and hence trees could be saved. Fifth one, it prevents the health hazards of smoke in poorly ventilated rural households that use dung cake and firewood for cooking. Here are some references with which we make our project or activity. If you like this video, please subscribe it, comment on it and watch it. Thank you.